Today, we're exploring one of the most mysterious and misunderstood topics in defense aviation: Israel's hidden air bases. No, we're not diving into secret or classified material. Instead, we're uncovering the publicly known history, technology, and strategy behind the air bases that shaped Israel's air power. These bases influenced the country's defense architecture, supported advanced jet programs, and quietly strengthened one of the most capable air forces in the world. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's begin with a simple idea. Every powerful air force depends on its aircraft, but even more importantly on where those aircraft sleep, train, launch, refuel, repair, and prepare for missions. An F-35, an F-15, or an F-16 is only as effective as the base supporting it, and Israel learned this lesson early. After decades of evolving threats, Israel understood that ordinary airfields would never be enough. Geography, surprise attacks, long-range threats, and the need for rapid response pushed the country toward a new concept: hardened, protected, highly efficient air bases. These air bases became the unsung heroes of the nation's aerial success. One of the most widely discussed, yet still highly misunderstood, sites is what people often refer to as the hidden air base. In reality, it's not a secret military lair or a forbidden location. It's a highly protected, heavily engineered airfield built to ensure that Israel's air power can operate during any crisis. The base gained global curiosity because of its unusual layout, heavy fortification, and its connection to advanced aircraft programs. This base is often linked in public conversations with underground hangars, protected storage tunnels, and reinforced structures designed to withstand threats. While specific details remain classified, as they should, the concept behind these facilities is completely public: survivability. Israel's strategy has always been about ensuring its aircraft, pilots, and infrastructure can continue operating even under pressure. Let's step into the history for a moment. After facing surprise airfield strikes decades ago, Israel made a major strategic decision. No single base would ever be vulnerable again. They redesigned air bases with multiple layers of protection, built aircraft shelters that could withstand heavy damage, and created rapid response procedures to launch jets quickly. Now, fast forward to the modern era. The arrival of the F-35 idea demanded new types of air bases, ones capable of supporting a fifth-generation stealth aircraft. These bases required advanced communication networks, secure data systems, precise climate control environments, and maintenance facilities built specifically for stealth coatings and advanced avionics. That is where the idea of a hidden base captures the public imagination. But let's clarify one important point. We're not exposing anything classified. Everything we discuss here is already publicly acknowledged in defense analysis, aviation documentaries, and military technology research. Our mission on this channel is to educate, not sensationalize. So what makes these air bases unique, even without discussing secrets? First is **lay-out engineering **. Israeli air bases often feature long, well-protected taxiways, hardened aircraft shelters, dispersed aircraft positions, and camouflaged buildings. This is intentional. It reduces risk and ensures that even if part of a base is damaged, aircraft can still take off. Second, **rapid readiness **. Israel maintains one of the fastest scramble times in the world. This means jets can be airborne in minutes. That capability requires specialized on-base infrastructure, fuel systems, alert-ready hangars, and advanced control towers designed for instant communication. Third is *** integration with air defense **. The world often sees Iron Dome, David Sling, or Arrow interceptors as standalone systems, but in reality, they are deeply integrated with air base operations. Israeli air bases receive constant early warning updates, radar feeds, and situational awareness from across the country's defense network. This gives pilots the knowledge they need before they even step into the cockpit. Fourth is ** training and simulation technology **. Modern Israeli air bases have world-class simulator facilities for F-15s, F-16s, and F-35s. These simulators create entire virtual missions, allowing pilots to train for complex scenarios without even taking off. The simulators are so advanced that many pilots say training sessions feel indistinguishable from real flight. Fifth is *** maintenance innovation ***. Israeli engineers are known for modifying aircraft, upgrading systems, and extending fighter lifespan. To do this effectively, they require cutting-edge workshops, 3D printing labs, stealth coating repair stations, and AI-assisted diagnostic tools. All of these exist inside Israel's advanced air bases. But the most fascinating aspect is the engineering philosophy behind these bases. Israel does not build airfields simply as landing strips. It builds them as survival hubs. They are designed to continue operating even when conditions are difficult, even when communications are stressed, even when surprise challenges emerge. And that resilience is what makes the Air Force so consistently effective. Let's take a closer look at what hidden truly means in this context. It does not refer to secrecy, it refers to protection. Many of Israel's bases appear ordinary on satellite images, but the true engineering lies beneath the surface. Reinforced shelters, underground maintenance areas, protected command centers, and networks designed to continue functioning during emergencies. This is not unique to Israel. Nations such as Norway, Switzerland, and Sweden also use protected air bases, including mountain tunnels and underground hangars. What makes Israel's approach stand out is how efficiently everything works together. The bases are compact, high-tech, and optimized for fast turnaround operations. Now let's talk about aviation culture. Israeli pilots are trained to operate under intense pressure. Their bases support this culture by providing constant data, advanced training tools, and rapid mission planning systems. This combination, strong pilots, advanced jets, and resilient infrastructure, is what gives Israel its modern aerial strength. Let's shift back to the F-35 IADIA for a moment. When Israel became the first country to use the F-35 operationally, it needed air bases that could handle a stealth aircraft's unique requirements. These bases had to maintain secure networks, classified data systems, temperature, controlled hangars, and stealth surface maintenance labs. All of this required upgrades, redesigns, and completely new engineering. And the results speak for themselves. Analysts around the world have noted that Israel's F-35 deployment strategy is one of the most efficient and advanced anywhere. This didn't happen accidentally. It happened because the bases were built to support the aircraft perfectly. Let's take a moment to appreciate how much planning goes into a single airbase. Engineers calculate wind direction, aircraft turnaround time, runway durability, emergency escape paths, fuel storage safety, and even soil vibration levels. They model stress conditions, simulate potential scenarios, and build systems that can adapt instantly. And despite all this, the everyday viewer rarely gets to see these bases. They operate quietly in the background while the aircraft receive all the attention. But today's video shows that the real power often comes from what supports the aircraft, not the aircraft itself. As we reach the end of this documentary-style breakdown, one thing becomes clear. Israel's air bases are not mysterious because of secrets. They are fascinating because of engineering, planning, and design. These air bases represent decades of innovation built into concrete, steel, fiber optics, and underground shelters, and they ensure that Israel's air power remains effective, ready, and resilient. Thank you for watching this educational breakdown. If you enjoy deep dives into defense technology, aviation engineering, and global military innovation, make sure you stay tuned for more.